Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Foundation game not launching, not opening, won't start, stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the method. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. For that, Steam users click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that, click on the power Windows icon, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to play the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search, now search for device manager. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, select your game on Steam, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search, now search for Windows security, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to check if the game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, don't worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, here you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issue. Next method is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, go below, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check. Same for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download and after that open the link and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and you have to wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to play the game. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to check if your game is listed. If you cannot find it, click on add a desktop app. Now after that, go to the game folder, select the game application over here and add it. Now after you add the game, here you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next solution is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, in the custom size you have to select it, and in the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Foundation game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and reinstall Foundation game, and then click on the play button to check if it's working now.